Udemy is an online learning platform that links teachers and students. It assists students in learning and developing new abilities as well as exploring a variety of interests. Meanwhile, teachers are offered opportunity to make money while sharing their skills with pupils. Web and mobile development, digital marketing, programming, software testing, cartoon painting, digital photography, and English language are just a few of the topics covered on Udemy. Instructors who want to start developing and distributing paid courses may obtain help from the platform, as well as learn how to create courses that students would find useful, allowing them to earn more money. Udemy's primary features include course marketing, retargeted advertisements, search and discovery, and email campaigns, as well as partnerships with large specialized content sites, a course quality checklist tool, and the option to share assignments. Here are some further details. Functionality of course marketing. One of Udemy's best features is its course marketing capabilities, which allows instructors to advertise their courses and personal brands to students and the proper audience. Udemy offers 4 different options for instructors to market their courses: retargeting ads, external partner promotions, email campaigns, and search and discovery. Ads that are retargeted. Instructors can utilize this feature to communicate with the audience or students who have wished listed, seen, or previewed a course but have not purchased it. Its course marketing will appear on the Facebook news feeds of their students as well as on other websites. Email campaigns and search and discovery. Instructors may use Udemy to increase their course searchability. Furthermore, this online learning platform sends out email campaigns to assist teachers in promoting and marketing their courses to the appropriate audience. The emails are personalized depending on the student's previous purchases and conduct. Collaboration with major niche content websites. Udemy collaborates with Groupon, Living Social, and other daily deal sites to assist teachers in marketing their courses. Checklist for course quality. This feature guarantees that teachers' courses are marketable, professional, and capable of providing students with a unique and supplementary learning experience. Capability to share assignments. Students on Udemy are given the opportunity to work on assignments in order to put the information and training they received in their selected courses to use and develop their abilities. Students can also share their completed assignments or outputs with other students in order to get or provide feedback.